This is Jim, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. I hope you enjoyed the video that I'm putting together today, and I know I had fun making the project, so hope you enjoy it. Have a great day and stick around and watch the video. I'm going to do a little quick something. This is my scrap rack. This first part of this video is going to be a lot about material and where we find it at, and some shots of metal supermarkets. Tom down at Hilltop Machine and I was down there this week picking up some material, and I got some shots of that. And then there's some things I've been doing around the house. There's general house stuff I put in this. But one of the things of this is I'm outside, and this is my outside storage rack. And this is kind of answers some questions maybe that a lot of people don't ask, like where do you get your materials? So have a good one. Okay, here we go. One of the things that's always a problem for us home shop guys, and this is my scrap pile, is where you get material. The material that you see here in my rack, most of it has come from all kind of different sources, from scrap yards to friends to pieces at the flea market to stuff that's stowed away at the job I had before I retired or whatever. So that's kind of where that stuff comes from. So gotta do that. That's where it comes from, and there's the rack. Now we're inside metal supermarkets. Tom brought my camera in. You see he's down there playing with his video camera. We're hunting material. I got the guy pricing me a drop of some aluminum. I'm going to take it today because I need it. Mainly I'm in here looking for plates for the press, so I seen some aluminum drop I'm going to go ahead and get because I can use it. I'll buy a drop now and then when I can get a hold of it. We're going to look at the aluminum pile too to see if anything interesting. So got this gentleman working on forklift for us, and we're going to be busier than here in a minute digging around. Got a stick of aluminum out there. That's my pile. Where is Tom's pile at? Got the big pile. Tom got the big pile over here. See Tom's pile? He got the big pile. We've been digging in the scrap bin, so we got him weighing, and then I'll take that up and see how much money these folks want to get out of us. But yeah, I got the little pile, but now I got a piece of new aluminum up front that I found. That I've got a piece of aluminum I kind of wrote down, so I'm good. Yeah, I didn't do a tour. Mine's backwards from Tom, but you know, I've come here before and done business. Got a nice little setup, steel racks. I'm not going. They got a lot of offcuts. I found an offcut piece of aluminum, which suits me just fine. So this is the Charlotte Metal Supermarkets here. They got a nice looking little rack, saws. They'll cut your stuff to length. Tom and I's tightwads, we dig into scrap piles a lot, so I'm gonna probably add this to one of my slop in the shop. I've got some drill bushings. He was kidding me. The steel's for my press plates for my press I bought at Burlington. He ain't got over giving me the razz about my press plates. I might not do machining. I've got to go home work in the shop, but not on the shop. So they're getting ready to weigh us here in a minute. Then we'll get out of here, eat lunch, and I hope it's not barbecue because I've eaten it twice this week. All right, then we'll see you later. See Tom's over our video and see him hard at work making you a YouTube. So we're going to be loading it up. See you guys later. Okay, I'm doing some more slop in the shop purchases and a few other things. This is something that's fun. I had an upcoming project, and before Tom and I decided to go to metal supermarkets and dig in their scrap bin, I ordered a piece of aluminum for a project. Well, now I'm not going to name the eBay seller. Somebody made a mistake. This is supposed to be a 1/2 inch thick aluminum plate, 7 inches by 7 inches. Instead, this is a piece of 1/8 of an inch stainless steel. Get over here and see if I got you in the camera. 1/8 of an inch stainless, 6 by 6. It's a good thing I bought some aluminum yesterday, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it for you. This again, a quick thanks to all the folks who subscribe and comment on my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit the little subscribe button there, below the video. Again, this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next video.